Hello everyone. I have these LED RGB LEDs. To use these LEDs, we need a controller. So I have this controller, RGB Bluetooth controller. We can connect this device to the mobile through Bluetooth, and we can control these lights with our mobile phone. So we'll see how we can use this controller. We got a QR here. Once we scan this QR, we can download the application in the mobile phone or in any device. This is the actual device. We need 12 volts adapter for this. Here we can see these are the terminals of this module. For demonstration purpose, I have simply connected these wires to this controller. You can see in this way this lights works. This is the general pattern. To change the pattern, we need to connect this module to the mobile, or in this tab I have installed the application. This is the application. This is the device name. This device is connected to the application now. Now from here we can control the light. If you click on style, we have some